In this video, let's talk about it is safe to use Ford wheel spacers on your F150.
As long as you use quality Ford F150 wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of cam force, they are very safe and reliable. F150 wheel spacers make no difference as wheels with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they are strained elastically to keep everything in the right place. According to the mechanical structure of wheels, half-century wheel spacers are better than like-century ones. Besides, F150 half-century wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. If you are worried about how to choose the suitable off-road wheel spacers for F150, you can consider BONOSS. BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistant characteristics. Even facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. BONOSS forged FT cooling Ford F150 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Ford wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.